In the early morning of December 6, 1917, a massive explosion rocked the harbour of Halifax, Nova Scotia, forever changing the lives of its residents. Welcome to At Legends Reckoning, where we unveil the stories behind history's most impactful events. Today, we dive into the tragedy of the Halifax explosion, a disaster that revealed both human resilience and profound sorrow. On that fateful day, the SS Mont Blanc, a French cargo ship laden with high explosives, caught fire in the harbour. As panic spread, the ship's crew desperately tried to extinguish the flames, but their efforts were in vain. At 9:04 a.m., the Mont Blanc detonated with a force equivalent to 15 kilotons of TNT, obliterating everything within a 2-kilometer radius. The blast shattered windows, collapsed buildings, and sent a shockwave that was felt as far away as Cape Breton. In an instant, nearly 2,000 lives were lost, and thousands more were injured. The city was left in ruins, and the aftermath was devastating. Survivors wandered through the debris, grappling with their unimaginable loss. Amidst the chaos, however, stories of heroism emerged, as first responders and ordinary citizens banded together to rescue those trapped in the rubble. The disaster prompted an international response, with aid pouring in from across Canada and the United States, showcasing the strength of community in times of tragedy. The Halifax explosion teaches us about the fragility of life and the power of human solidarity in the face of disaster. Remember, nearly 2,000 lives were lost in just a few moments. How would you react in such a crisis? Let's honor their memory by sharing our thoughts. Comment below, like and subscribe for more stories, and suggest what you'd like to hear next on At Legends Reckoning.